Hello. All right, so we're back today. I'm going to do those other picture frames that I thrifted. I got the paint finally for that, so I'm gonna do those. But first I'm gonna paint the wall that's right here. I'm gonna say hello, bear. This wall, I'm gonna paint black because I finally got my couch, and the couch is light gray. And like I said, I don't want the gray curtains with the gray walls, and the gray couch is gonna like clash way too much. So I'm doing black walls, gold picture frames, gray curtains, gray couch. So we'll see how that looks. So that's what we're doing today. So come join me. Okay, so now I'm gonna start painting my picture frames I got from Goodwill the other day. I picked up some gold leaf from Michael's because I figured that would look kind of cool and like old looking. Then I've got Folk Art Metallic number 871 Pure Gold. And I also have Craft Smart in Vintage Gold or Antique. That's what it's called. So that's what I'm doing now. Hey guys, so okay, I finally finished painting and my couch finally got here the other day, so I'm gonna go and show you guys that now. It looks so good. All right, here it is. It looks so good. Say hi, bear. Say hello. Oh my god, I love it so much. The frames came out so good. I'm not sure how I feel about the gold leaf still, like looks weird, but I mean it adds to it, makes it look older, so that's cool. And then there's this picture of bear and my Halloween stuff. But seriously, it looks so good. Like it's a completely different room now. What do you think, Barry? What do you think? Okay. All right. Jeez, bear. All right, well, that's it for now. I'm gonna be doing, I have a couch coming soon and the fabric dye finally got here, so I'm gonna be doing, bear, I'm gonna be doing that next. So that'll probably be next week, but all right, say bye. Say goodbye. Bye, everyone.